it's really dark, I turn on my outdoor visibility on my phone. I don't think it's working. I'm gonna see if you guys can see. It sounds like it's coming from like, not the center of town, but like past it, like the boondocks. Hold on. Yeah, you can't see much of anything out here, so much for outdoor visibility. I don't know if you could see behind me, but behind me is the road and you can see cars passing by, and it's coming from the opposite way. And that's like north, about south of Mattawan. So more near the Portage area. It's like the third time that I've heard that noise. And I don't know if you can turn it around. You can't even see any light out there. It's not an alarm. I mean, is it? No.
And the moon shine. But the sound is again, but much louder. Let's take her here. My cat is up there. But the sound is loud. I never heard that before. Yeah, 2 days ago, but how it is now.
Ich lasse das jetzt mal hier so stehen. Also ich habe jetzt mal die andere Kamera genommen. Ich hoffe, dass der Ton vielleicht besser rüberkommt. Das klingt genauso wie manche von den Videos auf YouTube und ich hätte nie im Leben geglaubt, dass das echt ist. Es ist echt. Da ist niemand auf dem Balkon, es scheint niemanden zu interessieren. Aber das wundert mich jetzt wieder nicht.